What's going on, everybody? Apollo PC back with another tutorial. Today is going to be on Discord, and it's how to set up your first Discord server. This tutorial is going to be for beginners only if this is your first time using Discord, or if it's your first Discord server, this is the video to be watching. So let's just jump straight into the video. No BS, no advertisements. Let's go. As you see here, we are on Discord. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to here where it says add a server. And so it gives you a list, whether it's gaming, school club, study group, friends. You don't want to do any of that because it's just a template pretty much. And we're going to be making our own server from scratch. So you're just going to click create my own. It doesn't really matter. I would just do for me and my friends. And you can name it whatever you want. My server, click create. And you have your brand new server right here. So first thing I want to show you guys is the settings. So if you go up to my server and go down to server settings, you can see all of the settings in your Discord server. First one is your server name. Won't worry about any of this. This really isn't all important. You all can go read through this if you want. Your roles is pretty much you can create roles for all your members, so like veteran rank, legendary rank, or recruits, or amateurs, or beginners, or whatever you want to do. So let's just do an example here. So roles, create a new role. We'll put it as veteran, and we're gonna make it yellow. No, let's make it like red. There we go. And then we're going to create another one. This one we can do legendary. And you can do these roles whatever, like military ranks, whatever you want. Here we'll just go green. And then we'll do amateur as yellow. Perfect. All right, so basically we're going to go to veteran first. The first setting here, display role members separately from online members. This will pretty much just be giving them their own space. So let me show you here. So right here it says online. Let me change my rank quick to veteran. So all the veterans are going to be right here. All the legendary people are going to be right here. And all the amateur people are going to be right here. They'll all be in the same group. Whereas if you don't have that setting checked on, then it's just going to be random. Allow anyone to mention this role. This pretty much is just you can add somebody and a notification will pop up. It really doesn't matter. It's just your preference. A lot of people do not like this just because it can create spam. I'm not going to go through all of this because most of this is just self-explanatory, but I will show you some of the important ones. Manage channels. I mean, obviously this is all self-explanatory. I'd say the most important one here is probably the administrator. If you have this checked on and you save it, that gives the veteran role pretty much owner access to the Discord server. So everything that I can see right here, right now as the owner, the veteran can also see this, and they can make any change to your Discord server. So I would highly recommend not checking the administrator on any role unless you trust the people that have that role. We're not going to worry about moderation yet. Audit log, we're not going to worry about. Integrations, we're not going to worry about. Widgets, we're not going to worry about. Server templates, we're not going to worry about. We can go down here to members. This is where you can see all the members onto your Discord server, where you can add roles and so on. Invites, you can see all of the active invite links. Bans, you can see all the people that are banned from your server. So this is what a lot of people probably clicked on the video for, is how to set up your Discord server. So up here in my server, we're going to go down to create channel, and we're just going to name it, we'll name it introduction. Create the channel. So we have introduction. We're going to drag this down to text channels, and that's going to be in the introduction. Some people, you can have this however you want. A lot of people have it up here. So then you don't have it in the text channels. Let's create another one here. Let's type in rules. Say we want to make something like this, text channels. We can just go over and hit create category. And this category can be, we'll just call this main, and we'll create the category. And as you can see, main is here. We're going to drag it all the way up to the top, or not, all the way to the top. There we go. So we want the introduction first, rules second, text channels, voice channels, whatever. All right, let's add another voice channel. We're gonna go to voice channel, and we're just gonna put, let's make it a 4-person chat. Click on that. We're gonna drag it down here. All right, we're gonna go into the edit channel here, and user limit, 4 users. There we go. Permissions. Permissions is just, you know, the permissions that everybody has on this voice channel. So you guys can go through, read all of this. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to read it out. All right, now let's say you want to add a private text channel where only a certain role, like veterans, can use. So let's go to back up here, and we're going to go to create a channel. And let's go to, like, let's put in staff chat. Create that channel, and we have our staff chat right here. We're going to drag it down to text channels and hit edit channel. So here we're going to go to permissions, and we're going to click on the role members and hit veteran. So we're going to make it so only veterans can view this channel. Manage channel, manage permissions. Actually, no. We're not going to manage permissions. So view channel. We're gonna make it so they can send messages, embed links, attach files, add reactions. I don't really care about this one, and that looks about it. Oh, and read message history and save changes. If you leave it right in the middle, that's just gonna make it so when you created the role, it's just gonna go to default settings. So like manage messages here, I have it right in the middle, but it's going to default and go to the X. So I don't really have to worry about that. Same with manage webhooks. Like they can't do any of this anyways. Yeah. So then we're going to go to everyone, and we're going to make it so they can't view, can't manage. We're just going to hit X for everything. Might as well. Doesn't hurt that they can't see a single thing. All right. Save changes. So now only veterans can see the page. Do not hit sync now because it'll just sync all the settings back. So don't hit that. Now, if you see this lock right here, next to the staff chat, that's because I've locked it to where only veterans can view this channel. So only veterans can see what's typed in here, only veterans can read what's in here, and the staff chat won't even appear on any other ranks as, you know, Discord servers. So let's go. So just to prove that this does work, I'm gonna view the page as a different role, and I will show you how to do this in a second. So as you can see, I'm a veteran right now, and I can see the staff chat. So if you go up, click on server settings, and you go to roles, it will say view server as role. We're going to click on that, and as you can see, it's not there anymore. I'm still a veteran, but I'm viewing it as a let's see. Oh yeah, we're viewing it as everyone. So amateur, legendary, right? So then once I click on veteran, I can see the staff chat. Unclick it, you can't see the staff chat. So that's a really handy tool. So now I can see staff chat again because I disabled it. We're gonna X out of that. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. If you're interested in learning how to add bots to your Discord server, I'm gonna link that video into the description right now. Go click on it. I'll also put it on the screen right now. Go check it out. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Discord is super easy to learn. Obviously I didn't show you everything, but you know, it only takes 30 minutes of looking around Discord to get used to the whole website. It's a super easy to use website, and I personally love Discord. I've made many Discord servers in the past with up to 500 members in it. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.